Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do conjunctions. Although you are already familiar with conjunctions or joining words, today we shall learn more about these words. Let us see what are conjunctions. A conjunction is a joining word used to join words, phrases, or sentences in a sentence. Some common conjunctions are and, but, or, because, so, while, although, if, when, since, etc. Let us see the use of conjunctions and but. Conjunction and is used to link two similar ideas like the garden is big and beautiful. Thus, and is used to add one sentence to another. Conjunction but is used to link two opposite ideas or statements like the garden is big but dirty. So, the conjunction but is used to express a contrast. Now let us see the use of conjunctions so or because. Conjunction so is used to express a reason like the rain was very heavy, so we remain indoors. Conjunction or is used whenever there is a choice between the two like do you want tea or coffee? Conjunction because is used to join sentences when one sentence tells something and the second sentence gives a reason for it, like I ate 2 apples because I was hungry. Now let us see the use of some more conjunctions. Use of conjunction while. You can go swimming while I am having lunch. While is used to describe something that is happening at the same time with something else. Although and though both mean in spite of something. These conjunctions connect ideas that contrast. For example, although she was far away, she could see that he was watching her. If is used to say that something will happen only after something else happens. For example, we will have party if the weather is good. When is used to say at what time something happened or will happen. For example, we will go outside when you are ready. Let us solve an exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. First, the rain was very heavy, we remained indoors. The rain was very heavy, so we remained indoors. We have used the conjunction so here to express the reason. Second, the boy is smart, lazy. We will use but here because smart and lazy are opposite in nature. Third, Seema is sincere, honest. Seema is sincere and honest. We have used and here because sincere and honest are similar in nature. Hope you have understood where and how to use correct conjunctions and you will be able to solve rest of the exercise. Thank you.